Most people are stuck chasing the wrong thing. They ask, how do I make more money? And it sounds productive, right? But what if I told you that that's the exact reason they stay broke? High achievers, successful entrepreneurs, leaders, top performers ask a better question. How do I create more value? This one shift changes everything. Your income, your success, and even your sanity. Let's break this down. Here's what's really happening. How do I make more money locks your brain onto the end result, money, without focusing on the cause. It triggers your survival brain, leading to desperate short-term thinking. So now what's the result? You chase quick cash grabs and end up burnt out, frustrated, and stuck. But when you ask, how do I create more value? Everything flips. You shift into a creator mindset. Your brain lights up with problem-solving mode, focusing on helping others, and money becomes the natural reward for solving problems at scale. Let's lay this out. How do I make more money? Focuses on the outcome, which breeds short-term thinking. Whereas how do I create more value focuses on the input, which drives sustainable success. This is the shift, or this shift is the difference between chasing cash and attracting wealth, which most people get twisted. When you focus on money first, here's what happens. You burn out. You push harder, but without purpose, and exhaustion kicks in. You have short-term wins, but you might score a quick buck, but it rarely lasts. You have missed opportunities. By obsessing over money, you overlook the real leverage, which is value creation. Imagine launching an online store, but you're only thinking about the profit margins. So you cut corners on product quality and customer service. Sales start to trickle in and then stop. What's the result? You get refunds. People are asking for refunds. You have bad reviews and a dead business. Why did this happen? It's simple. You prioritized money and not value. When you ask, how do I create more value? Everything changes. You begin to build trust. People pay those who consistently solve their problems. Do you differentiate yourself? Most people chase money, but you stand out by serving. When you serve others, the reward is money. You create long-term success. Value-first businesses build loyal fans and repeat customers. In using this as an example, instead of chasing sales, you focus on creating an exceptional product and an amazing customer support. Your customers love it. They refer their friends and family. They come back again and again. Now, what's the result in this situation? Your revenue skyrockets. It goes through the roof. And you did not even have to ask for it. This is what you get for putting value first. Now, let's talk about a powerful story. I'm going to share this powerful story, transformational story with you. It's a story of Alex, a graphic designer. For years, he chased money. Low-paying gigs, non-stop hustle, constant burnout. Then one day, Alex flipped the script. He started asking, how do I create more value for my clients? He went back and he studied a high-converting sales page. He flipped through the web, he studied a few sales pages. He repositioned himself as a revenue booster. Not just a logo guy, because everyone knew him as a logo designer. But he then created a free brand audit to offer upfront value to his customers. 6 months later, Alex wasn't competing on price anymore. He was charging over $10,000 per project because he solved bigger, more valuable problems. Are you ready to apply this in your life? Or are you ready to take a move that will change your life forever? Here's how to turn this mindset into cash. You shift from where you were, from asking for more money to creating more value. But this is how you do it. Number 1, identify who you serve. Because money flows to those who solve problems. And ask yourself, who has a painful, urgent problem that I can solve? What outcomes could change their life? What skills, knowledge, and resources do I have to help? Remember this, the more specific your audience, the clearer their problems, and the more valuable your solution to them. Number two, solve bigger problems. The size of your problem is a direct correlation to the size of the bank account. So your income is directly tied to the size of the problems you solve. Think bigger. Here's an example of small problems. I design logos. Big problem. I create identities that drive sales. Notice the difference? Another small problem. I sell fitness coaching. Here's the big problem. I help busy professionals lose weight without sacrificing family time. You can see the quality in these problems. Ask yourself, what is the biggest version of the problem I can solve? Number three, deliver value upfront. Want to build trust fast? Give value first. Offer a free guide, a free audit, a free strategy session. Share some high value content on social media if you have a social media for your business or even your personal brand. Help people before asking for money. People trust those who help them, not just those who sell to them. The key lesson here is money is a byproduct of value. Wealthy people don't ask, how do I make more money? They ask, how do I create more value? They don't chase cash. They attract it by solving bigger, more meaningful problems. Next time you catch yourself thinking, how do I make more money? Stop. Ask yourself, how do I create more value? And watch your income, your influence, and opportunities explode. So I've got a challenge for you today. Identify one way you can create more value for people in your life. This can be your boss, your customers, or the audience watching your video or watching your space. Drop your idea in the comment section below. Let's crowdsource some value creation together. I hope you found value in this. Be sure to share this with other people because people deserve to understand the real answer to the question, how do I make more money? Also, I've got the notes for this, the PowerPoint slides, in the description section below. You can feel free to download this, use it at any time. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay anything for this. This is just a way to help you reference this because this topic is very crucial to your financial success in your wealth building journey. So be sure to check out the link in the description section below to download this free guide. Like I said, $0. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and see you on the next one.